The story of what happened after the death of Oliver Cromwell is considered one of the most chilling and mysterious episodes in British history. One that kept the flames of political revenge alive for decades and turned human remains into a horrifying public spectacle. Imagine a ruler who had ordered the execution of Charles I of England in 1649, now becoming the target of vengeance even after death. Cromwell's body was dug up from its grave, symbolically executed, and his severed head was placed on a spike for public display. This was not merely the desecration of a corpse. It was an insult to the entire English Revolution, which had shaken the foundations of monarchy and dared to envision its end. The event vividly illustrates the brutality and power struggles of 17th-century British politics, where even death offered no peace. On September 3, 1658, Oliver Cromwell died at the age of 59, reportedly from complications related to kidney infection and septicemia. After his death, he was honored with a royal-style funeral. His body lay in state at Somerset House, where thousands came to pay their respects. On November 10, 1658, he was buried with great ceremony in Westminster Abbey. As Lord Protector of the Commonwealth of England, Scotland, and Ireland from 1653 to 1658, Cromwell had overseen Britain's first experiment without monarchy. Yet fate took a dramatic turn when, in 1660, the monarchy was restored and Charles II of England, burning with the desire to avenge his father, ascended the throne. The revenge unfolded on January 30, 1661, the 11th anniversary of Charles I's execution. Under the Regicides Act of 1660, the bodies of Cromwell and other key regicides, including Henry Ireton, John Bradshaw, and Thomas Pride, were exhumed from Westminster Abbey and elsewhere. They were taken to Tyburn, London's notorious execution ground, where they were hanged as if alive. Cromwell's body was then beheaded, and his head was mounted on a long iron spike atop Westminster Hall. There it remained on public display for approximately 25 years, exposed to rain, wind, and decay, a grim warning to anyone who dared challenge the crown. In 1685, a violent storm reportedly dislodged the head from its spike. From there, its journey took a strange turn. It came into the possession of private collectors and was displayed in exhibitions during the 18th and 19th centuries. In the 1800s, it was examined by members of the Royal College of Surgeons of England, and even studied by phrenologists who claimed its structure reflected strong leadership qualities. For nearly 3 centuries, the head circulated among collectors, serving as a macabre relic of political vengeance and historical obsession. Finally, on March 25, 1960, Sydney Sussex College, where Cromwell had studied in 1616, acquired the head. On March 26, 1960, in a secret ceremony, it was buried near the college chapel. The exact location remains undisclosed to prevent further disturbance. To this day, it stands as one of the most haunting episodes in British history, a reminder that in the ruthless struggle for power, even death could not extinguish the fire of revenge.